Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to share how to make money online in Zimbabwe in year 2020. My name is Kuda from kudaonline.com. If you're new to my channel, I am an affiliate marketer, and affiliate marketing simply means promoting other people's goods for a profit. That's what I actually specialize in the make money online space. But there's something that actually intrigued me when I actually posted this post on my Facebook page, and the post was like, "Don't let the small minds convince you that making money isn't real. The people making money online aren't special at all, and you too can be one of them." And it was really amazing to see responses from people, and someone is saying, "Yeah, educate us please, I'm interested too," and all these other comments. I don't want to go down, but there's quite a lot of comments of people that have been actually commenting. And then I actually asked myself, and I thought of myself when I was actually starting out to aspire to make money online. I had all these other questions, a lot of questions about how does this work, and I've hit a lot of scams, lost some money along the way. But the best part was I've met a lot of amazing people. Okay, people that were willing to help me, and so I thought of others. I've actually moved from wondering to making money online in reality. Okay, so I just thought of myself when I was actually looking at these comments. I actually thought of myself. Okay, I saw myself as they were actually posting that. So it's kind of like these people were me a few years back when they were trying to figure out. So I said to myself, you know what? Why not actually put together the information that I know from my head and share it with others? So that's what I'm actually going to do in 2020. Okay, so I actually made a post on my Facebook as well, and this post goes like, who else wants to be part of our WhatsApp group? What if I spend the next few months sharing with you my knowledge about making money online? Would you be interested? In the end, you will know, number one, you will be exposed to how to create multiple sources of income. If you have a job that you're actually working and you want to create another source of income on the internet, you will learn that, and how to come up with ideas that will turn into profit. So there's modules ahead of you where you can learn just that, and you discover endless opportunities, okay, that are available for everyone to tap into on the internet, and so much more. Okay, you should actually have internet connection. I'm not charging for this course. For this training, it's gonna be like 4 to 6 months. Okay, and something that I'm going to be discussing with people. So if you want to be part of this, hey, if you want to learn, I'm not promising you that you're going to make a lot of money. You may not make money at all, because at the end of the day, making money online is not magic. You need to learn the skill. That means patience, dedication, and quite a number of things that you need to put into. So results vary for different people. So over the past years, I've been working with a number of people, and they've got a lot of stories to share with us of how they've actually managed to break through, or how they've actually managed to make their first dollar on the internet. So I'll be bringing all those people again into the to share their stories. Uh, there's got a lot of different ways that I'm going to be sharing. Okay, I'm not going to share about affiliate marketing alone, but there's a lot of ways that I'm going to be sharing, and I'm really doing this for people in Zimbabwe. Okay, I actually went on my Facebook. Okay, I actually made another post as well, whereby I was talking about this post. I was talking about the high rate of unemployment in Zimbabwe, where people are actually complaining about the economic challenges. There are no jobs and all that. So you have actually two choices. Okay, if you're actually faced with that situation, you either wait for the economy to stabilize, or the unemployment rate to go low, or you go out of your way and find ways to create your own economy. Okay, so my idea about this is, why not expand? Hey, why not expand your expertise so that you can get to the international marketplace? Okay, because one thing that you need to understand is, if you know something, someone is willing to pay you money for that knowledge. Okay, and if you're focusing on Zimbabwe alone, then you're limiting yourself. Okay, you can actually expand. That's what I've actually done. I've actually expanded my expertise to actually work with people from outside Zimbabwe, so that I can actually work with them, so that I can actually work with them, so that I can actually work with them. Now, so that's what I'm actually going to be doing 4 to 6 months. So if you want to learn more, if you want to be part of our WhatsApp group, just below this video, you are going to see a link that will take you to our WhatsApp group. And if you have any questions, you can actually leave comments below this video. So with that being said, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, because this is one other place that I'm going to be sharing the notes and the videos and the lessons as well. So with that being said, thank you very much for watching. I look forward to working with you and seeing you in our WhatsApp group. Thank you very much. Bye for now.